Namaste. So today's our topic is selecting a mix of motivational tools. Sales managers should know each salesperson and understand his and her specific need for designing or selecting a mixture of motivation tools are comprising between different need of customers, salespeople, and the company manage become necessary. Motivational tools are divided into financial and non-financial. They are shown in the next slide. So motivational tools are financial and non-financial. Financial compensation plan is salary, incentives, bonus, benefits, combinations, and non-financial are promotion, sense of accomplishment, personal growth, opportunities, recognition, job security, sales meeting, sales training program, job enrichment, and supervision. Financial compensation is the most widely used tool of the motivation as the salespeople give highest value to it. Compensating the sales, a good compensation plan should consider the objective for the companies and salespeople viewpoint. Objective of the compensation plan from the company's viewpoint to attract, retail, and motivate the compensate salespeople to control the salespeople activity and to competitive yield economical. This it is difficult to balance these two objectives to be feasible to adopt to new product changing market and differently territory sales potential. Objective of the compensation plan from the salesperson viewpoint to have both regular and incentive income. Regular income by fixed salary to take care of living expenses. Incentive income for about average perform to have a simple plan for for easy understanding. This is in conflict with the objective of feasible to have a fair payment plan. Just or fair or just payment to all salespeople is ensured by selecting measurable and controllable factors. Designing an effective sales comparison plan. Designing a new compensation plan or revising an existing plan consists of the following steps. Examine job description, set up the specific objective for the salespeople, decide level of pay and compensation, then develop the compensation mixture, then decide indirect payment plan or fragile benefits, then pretendist administrator and evaluate the plan. We shall examine these steps briefly. Examine job description. Separate job description are required for different sales positioners jobs. That is miscellaneous salesperson, senior salesperson, key account executive. Each job description should include responsibility and key performance standard to decide how much to pay. Set up specific objective for salespeople. These are derived from company sales and marketing objective. Salespeople should have some control on the objective, that is number of the sales call made. Objective should be measurable, that is sales volume, selling expensive. Decide level of pay compensation. It means the average pay or money earned per year. It is important to decide level of pay for all sales position. It is decided based on the following factor: level of pay for similar position in the industry, levels of pay for comparable job in the company, then education experiences and skill required to do the sales job, cost of the living in different metros and the cities. Annual average pay level vary between industry within the same industry and sometimes within the company. Firm decide a range of average pay instead of specific pay. Salespeople earn paid depending on their and company performance. Then develop the compensation mix. Widely used element of the compensation mix are salary, commissions, bonus, benefits, expenses allowance or the reimbursement like travel, lodging, etc. are not included. Basic type of compensation plans are strategy, straight salary, straight commission, combination of salary, commission and or bonus. 68% companies use combination plan and balance. 32% firms use straight salary or straight commission. We shall briefly examine above compensation plan. So next is the straight salary plan. The characteristic is 100% compensation in is salary, which is fixed component, no certain for the sales perform or the salesperson effort. This plan is suitable for the sales trainees, missionary salesperson, and when a company want to introduce a new product or enter a new territory. Advantage in this is salespeople get secured income to cover living expenses. Salespeople willing to perform non-selling activity like payment, collection, report writing, simple to administer. And disadvantage is no financial incentive to salesperson for more efforts and better performance. Hence, superior performance may not be achieved, may be a burden for new and loss making firm. So, hope you will understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.